Here is the continuation of the review script. The Koorui 27-inch 1440p changes the way you game, watch videos, and work. Imagine having a crystal clear picture that's not just sharper than your old monitor, but also more realistic. That's what this 27-inch gaming monitor delivers with its QHD 2560x 1440p resolution, making every detail pop and every scene feel more immersive. Whether you're immersed in a fast-paced game or watching a stunning high-definition video, the Koorui 27-inch 1440p ensures an unparalleled visual experience. But what really sets it apart is its impressive performance at fast frame rates. With a 200Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time, you'll enjoy smooth motion, no ghosting, and perfectly adapted gameplay that's as responsive as your reflexes. It's like having a personal gaming coach built right into the monitor. And then there's HDR400 technology, which takes visuals to the next level by amplifying brightness and contrast. Dark areas are now more detailed, and bright areas become even more vivid, making every scene feel like it's jumping off the screen. The result? A truly cinematic experience that transports you to new worlds. But this monitor isn't just a one-trick pony, it's designed to excel in various scenarios. With Adaptive Sync, you can say goodbye to screen tearing and enjoy a seamless gaming or video watching experience. Plus, its VESA-compatible design makes it easy to install on the wall or stand, freeing up precious desk space. The G2722P stand is also where the Koorui 27-inch 1440p really shines. It's adjustable in height, tilt, and rotation, so you can customize the monitor to your perfect viewing angle based on your sitting posture and usage needs. That means long hours of use won't leave you feeling fatigued or uncomfortable. Last but not least, Koorui offers top-notch support with a 1-year warranty for the display screen and a 3-year warranty for other accessories. So whether you have questions about the monitor's performance or need help troubleshooting an issue, they've got you covered. One of the standout features of this monitor is its color accuracy. With a wide gamut range and precise color reproduction, you'll be able to see every detail in stunning clarity, whether you're gaming, watching movies, or working on design projects. And with support for 10-bit color, you can enjoy an incredible level of depth and nuance. In terms of connectivity, the Koorui 27-inch 1440p has got you covered. With 4 USB ports, 2 HDMI inputs, and a DisplayPort connection, you can connect your console, laptop, or other devices with ease. Plus, it also supports wireless connectivity via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi 6. But what really sets this monitor apart from the competition is its ability to deliver consistent performance across different environments. Whether you're gaming in a dark room or watching videos in a bright space, the Koorui 27-inch 1440p adapts seamlessly, ensuring that your experience stays smooth and enjoyable. Of course, no review would be complete without mentioning the ergonomics of this monitor. The adjustable stand allows for endless customization options, so you can find the perfect viewing angle to suit your needs. And with a sturdy build and premium materials, you can trust that this monitor will last for years to come. So what's the verdict? Is the Koorui 27-inch 1440p worth the investment? Absolutely. With its stunning visuals, smooth performance, and impressive features, this monitor is sure to elevate your gaming, watching, or work experience to new heights. If you're ready to take your visual experience to the next level, click the link below to get the Koorui 27-inch 1440p today. Trust us, you won't regret it.